there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is a very quick and easy Easter treat holder. It's a little sour cream container and it just uses one piece of 6x6 designer series paper. The paper that we're using is Stampin UP and it's the lighter than air paper and is featured in the current promotional catalogue that runs through to the end of April. So let me show you how I made it. Very easy. This lighter than air designer series paper is so pretty. So start with one sheet, and all you're going to do is, this is the piece, this is what is going to be on the outside. So turn it over, grab your tear and tape, this is the easiest stuff to use, and run some tear and tape down one side and then along the bottom. Yep, to there. Pull that off and then grab your tool and then just pull that tear and tape off. Actually, before you do that, give the paper a little bit of a roll it a little bit, just makes it easier when you are actually going to come to put it together. So what's going to happen is this is going to be sealed at the bottom and this will be the top. So what I prefer to do is take off that bottom piece first, and then I just very gently roll this. You're going to seal the long side first, okay? Just going to roll it over and just join, put that together. So just make sure the top and the bottom are aligned. There's nothing complicated about making this box, by the way. Just make sure you come over far enough so that you're not having anything of this sticky on the inside. Okay, and then squeeze the bottom together where the tape is. Just squeeze. And that's all there is to it. It couldn't really be any easier, could it? You could leave it open like that if you really wanted to, but I mean it's self-closing. So I'm going to get, I don't know if you can see, but along the bottom I've sort of made some little score marks. So I'm just going to grab in my paper trimmer. Sorry, not my paper trimmer, my Simply Scored tool. Just going to pop this in any old where really, and just make some little score marks. I'm not measuring it out or anything. I'm just going with where the lines are in here. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side, and then just go along the landscape and just put a little score mark anywhere you like, just down there, just to give that bottom a little bit of definition. You don't have to do this. I just think it makes it look like a real little sour cream container. And then so you've got that facing with the your bottom piece, which is sealed, so you want your closing to be the opposite. All right, so close that way. What I'm going to do now is, before I put the Simply Scored away, so I'm just going to pop that down and I'm just going to score anywhere. I'm not putting a particular measurement in. I just want, it just makes it sit closed a little bit easier. You don't have to do that, like I say, but you can. And that's, so I've got the seal, the seam at the back, and then there's the container. So if you're doing a lot of little Easter treats, you can make these really quickly. So I haven't got anything inside there, but as you can see, here's the inside. All right. So I'm actually using a set that was available. This is the Heartfelt Hellos. So if you were lucky enough to get this during our celebration promotion, it's got a great sentiment for Easter. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of any Easter specific stamp sets, so I'm using a retired one. But any Easter themed stamp set you've got will work. I used 30 Flamingo for this one. I'm going to use Fresh Freesia for this one. So it's just, actually before I do that, I'm going to punch it out. So I'm using 2 punches for this. This is the 2-inch punch and the 1 3/4 inch punch. You'll find these as an online exclusive. So I have put a link in the description bar. Put a link in the description bar below. But when you go and you click on it, you'll be taken to the online store and you'll see the online exclusives. So all these punches, there's 3 of them, they're all in the online exclusive range. Oh, I think I prefer that with the, yeah, I think I like that colour better, Fresh Freesia, as opposed to the Flirty Flamingo. Yeah, much better. I'm also using a piece of the glimmer, oh, it's not glimmer paper, it is, oh, what's it called? The name has gone out of my head. It is in the link in the description bar below. It's 6x6 paper, and this is the champagne colour, and I'm going to use the 2-inch punch for this. Let's put that together with a little dimensional. So yes, this is super easy. A couple of dimensionals on the back. This one, whoops. Much better with the Fresh Freesia. Much better, ties in much better with this paper, although there is Flirty Flamingo in this paper. Now the ribbon is from the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. I'm going to use Petal Pink actually for this one. Just get a nice big chunk of that. And I'm just going to put some tape down the, some seal down the middle so that it sits. Oh, I might put a little bit more on there. Don't want it to fall off. So just there. Okay. If you have some embellishments, you could pop embellishments on, but I think it looks really cute. Just like this. And that's really all there is to it. In fact, that is all there is to it. It's easy. And I know I'm not the first Stampin' Up demonstrator to have made one of these. So certainly this was not my idea, but they are a really easy thing to make. And if you are gifting some little eggs this Christmas, wrong season, any eggs this Easter, this is a quick and easy way to make a heap. And this paper, this paper is so pretty. Lighter than air. Lighter than air? Is that what I said it was? Let's double check. Yes, lighter than air. Again, there is a link in the description bar below for this and all the products I've used. So there you have it. Really easy, really simple little project to make. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Stampin' Mary, MERRY @gmail.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.